Hey guys, it's Pamela here, and I want to show you a really quick salad you can make using our bourbon barrel-aged balsamic vinegar. Now, if you're not familiar with our balsamic vinegar, we age it in a bourbon barrel for 18 months, and then when we bottle it, it gets this really sweet, thick consistency to it. So it's more like a glaze than it is like a regular balsamic vinegar. Now what's really fantastic about this is you're gonna use a lot less and you just use it right at the end when you're cooking. So the salad I'm gonna make today, or show you how to make, is gonna be an Italian salad, and you can throw it together in about 5 minutes. Use it as a side dish, or if you wanna add a little protein, you can use it as a main. Now first I'm gonna take a nice handful of some baby spinach here. Now, if you want to use a different green, go ahead. I'm using this today. The next thing we're going to do is chop all your veggies first, make it super easy for you. We're going to take a little bit of a colored pepper, just sprinkle that over top. I'm going to use a yellow bell pepper. Red is fantastic as well. All out of those. We're going to do a little English cucumber. I like that they have a little extra crunch to them as opposed to a regular cucumber. Sometimes they get a little sad if you have to leave them in the fridge for too long. So the English cucumber really helps. A little bit of chopped onion, maybe a little bit more on there. Now, one of these things that makes it such a great Italian salad is we're gonna add a little bit of cooked orzo. Now, after I cook this, I put it in the fridge just to chill it. If you're in a bit of a pinch, you could also serve it warm, or just when you go ahead and drain it, run some cool water over it just to cool it down a slight bit. One of the last things I'm going to add is going to be some green olives. Give a little bit of a tangy, salty taste to it, but not too overpowering. And then if you'd like, this is totally optional, but add a little feta cheese. It's gonna give it a little extra zing, and I really just love cheese on just about anything, but salad is wonderful as well. And then the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our bourbon balsamic vinegar and drizzle it over the top. Now, I have mine in a squeeze bottle, make it easy. Just drizzle it like that. And then finally, you're gonna whisk together a little bit of olive oil, lemon juice, and Italian seasonings, and you'll just finish your salad with that dressing. And that's it. Here you have a wonderful Italian salad that you can serve to your friends and family as a side dish, or throw a little salmon or grilled chicken on there and have it as a main. Thank you for joining me today and seeing how we use our bourbon balsamic vinegar.